The next big mistake to avoid is to neglect security and compliance. Even with smaller applications or applications of any size really, it's important to know where is your data held. Most companies you deal with and work with, if you're storing their data, they'll want their data stored in the UK, or certainly in Europe. Some companies will not be keen on data being held in the US. Ignore my NAF drawing there. I won't try and draw the United States, but hopefully that gives you the idea. It's also important to know when you're building on these AI platforms, who actually owns the code that's built, who actually owns the database where everything is stored. Because in some cases, yes, it might be you and you've got full ownership rights and you've got ultimate control over your data, where the system runs and how it runs. But in some cases, you don't. It is the company that actually own this. Now, in the short term, this probably isn't a problem to get something out the door. But longer term, this company might change their pricing. And this has definitely happened before in the past with other platforms and made costs very high. Or they could simply just shut down and shut the platform down. And along with it goes your application. So it's not to say that these are all deal breakers or are things to avoid, but they're things that I recommend you're aware of. Now, if you're building something that is a serious application that holds some serious personal data, I'd consider getting it reviewed by an expert or even having a full penetration test where they can identify security gaps in what you've built.